Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to remotely lock your Android 15 phone if it gets lost or stolen. So step 1 for this one is going to be make sure Find My Device is enabled. Now that's actually really safe and really easy to do by going to settings and your Android phone. Scroll down and tap security and privacy. Now once you're here, tap Find My Device and make sure this is always toggled on. The moment you buy your device, the moment you get your hands on the phone itself, make sure this is turned on. Step 2. Sign in to Google's Find My Device on your computer or another smartphone. Make sure this is going to be the link you go to. Sign in and link to your lost Android device. Just use the Gmail that is linked to the lost device. So simply log in and locate your device by clicking that attempt to locate, and your phone is online locations turned on. You will see your current location or last known location. Now lock your phone remotely. So on my Find My Device page, click your phone's name if you have more than one device, of course, and click Secure Device. You will be prompted to set a new lock screen password or display a message on your phone number on the lock screen. Click Secure Device again to confirm. Step 5. What happens next? So your phone will be locked with a new password. The lock screen will display your message or phone number. Notifications will be hidden. Now, additional tips is if your phone is offline, this is actually most of the problem. The lock will take effect as soon as it comes back online. So don't worry about that one, just make sure you log into your My Device. So consider using Erase Device feature if you're sure that your phone can be recovered. Just make sure this is going to be enabled as well. Now stay safe. Again guys, if you lost your phone, make sure you enable Find My Device is the one key to go. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.